Well, and I'm meeting her for the first time. This is Ashley Smith. Hi, Ashley. Come in here, please. How are you?
Great. How are you? Thank you.
I'm well, thank you. Problem Solution is what PS stands for, right?
Correct. Yes.
Problem Solution Home. And this is Ashley Smith.
Hello.
And it says you're a busy mother of 5.
Actually, I think I need 5 of these then,
You
David.
have 5 littles at home?
18 down to 9. Well, we had 3. I wanted 1 more, and we got twins. So.
Oh, well, there
3
you
to
go.
5. Yeah.
There you go. All right. Well, it's lovely to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Fully assembled except for the wheels, yes?
That's all that you have to do is pop on the wheels, and David.
You can screw in a light bulb, I like to say.
That's exactly how you do it.
You can screw on the wheels.
Yep. So it really is the perfect solution for any room in your house. You can roll it from room to room, and then it collapses down in seconds if you don't want to have it in use. It is going to arrive to you just like this, David.
Minus the wheels.
Minus the wheels. You're just going to pop them on, and like you said, screw it on like a light bulb. This measures 40 inches by 18 with a really slim profile. That you could slide this maybe under a bed or in a closet or even in the corner of a room and not in use. And David, this is the only assembly besides the wheels. You just simply have to, ta-da, open it up. And then I'm just going to push down these latches to secure it.
Oh,
That's
my goodness. And we have color choices. Now, Ashley's showing you the black.
Yep.
We also have it in blue.
Navy.
Or navy, rather. I'm sorry.
Okay, same.
No, it's different, and that's what our system calls it, navy. This is white. This is the red. And finally, the gray.
Yep.
Now, if you want navy or red, only $700 each to go around.
Okay.
These are $49.98. Come fully assembled except for the wheels, and all the wheels need to be done is screwed onto the bottom.
Absolutely.
I think the official name for them are casters.
Ooh, you're teaching me something, David.
I guess.
So the wheels are 360 degrees, yet 2 of them do have a lock, so you can lock the rack in place if needed. And it has this really nice mesh, 3 tiers. And David, between this is about 9.5 inches, but from the bottom of this shelf up here is 12 inches. So you can stick, you know, a big size. This is for the garden or even for paper towels. They're gonna be able to fit in here. Maybe laundry detergent for that laundry room. So a really nice size between the different shelves to store larger
I bought
items.
the other day that would go nicely on here.
Here.
A big container of ice melt.
Oh, we need that this time of year, right?
Yes. Oh
Yes.
my word. And I get so many deliveries between samples from QVC and from things I order. The delivery people are always coming to my front door, and I can tell they are slip sliding away. No matter how much I shovel. This is really delightful and very well priced, and a brand new brand for us.
Yes.
And thank you for your email that you sent to me.
Yes, of course.
Explaining all this. This is the PS, and PS means problem solution.
Problem solving home, yes.
Or problem solving home. Right?
Yes, yes.
So very, very definitely a popular item, and we don't have a lot of these to go around. If you want black that Ashley is showing you, we have fewer than 1,000 to go around. If you want navy, we have fewer than 700. If you want the white, 1,700, the red, fewer than 700, and finally the gray.
Well, you know what I want to mention, David?
Fewer than 1,400. I'm sorry, ma'am.
I'm sorry, super lightweight, only about 6 pounds itself, yet each shelf is going to hold 24 pounds. So the whole shelving system itself, 72 pounds. 72 pounds of, here we have the bathroom supplies or supplies in that pantry or the office or the garden.
And this is designed to be used indoors?
Indoor, actually, it's also called powder-coated steel is the material, so you don't have to worry about it rusting. I would primarily say indoors, but if you wanted to put maybe plants here, because it can drip through with this mesh lining that has that breathability, you could totally do that and you don't have to worry about it rusting.
Maybe you're going to order some plants and they come to you and it's maybe the zone is not quite right and it's not quite time yet to plant them.
Yep.
But you need to get them out of the boxes. That has happened to me. Or maybe you are short on time, which is usually my issue, and you need to park them somewhere where they can breathe a little bit and get the water they need.
Like that.
Until
Yep.
you can get them into the ground or into pots, whatever. So this works out really nicely. I went to the market the other day to buy ice melt. I bought it in a container.
Okay.
I think it was 20 pounds.
Okay, that's heavy.
And so you said this will hold how much?
72. Each shelf is going to hold 24 pounds. The whole thing's 72 pounds. I mean, that's a
So
lot.
I could park that big container of ice melt on either one, any of these shelves, and it would be fine.
Feel confident with that. Absolutely, absolutely.
Maybe supplies that are off season that you're not using in your garage, like water hoses, water cans.
Yep, I like that. Like for the garden, and if you wanted to, you could roll it outside to the garden, and then roll it back into the garage, or maybe have you downsize and you don't have as much counter space. You can actually put those appliances on here. You can just wheel it over, plug it into the outlet, and then wheel it back to store it if you wanted to.
But let's talk about how much this weighs empty.
6 pounds.
6
6
pounds.
pounds. So super lightweight, but very sturdy, very durable.
Oh my gracious.
Yep. I know.
And if you have more stuff in your garage than you have room for your car, it's time to get better organized.
Yeah, and I always.
It's time to maybe donate.
Yep.
And to organize what's there that you need to keep. And this is a good way to do that.
And when you know where everything is, everything has a place. You don't buy multiples, right? So whenever you know you're exactly where your office
Have
supplies
you seen my
are.
spice cabinet?
I can't
Do you know that
imagine.
I have 15 pumpkin pie spices? Because they always get pushed to the back of the cabinet. Because
Yep.
I only use them one time a year. And then I think I'm out, so I go to buy some more. And then I have 15.
Too many. Too many. They're probably-
Y'all need pumpkin pie spice, let me know. All right, now, this is very, very popular, and we are very busy. Now, 700 are gone. If you want the black, it's most popular. We have 950 left in the black. Now, if you want navy, 650. The white, 1600. This is the red, 650, and finally the gray.
Yep.
1300 left in the gray.
You know another great.
6 pounds empty.
Empty up to 72 pounds. You have a daughter at Penn State. Anybody in those small spaces, maybe somebody who's moving into an apartment, or like I said, they're downsizing. And this is a great storage for any of those rooms, from the kitchen to the basement to the office to crafting.
When I entertain, like, say, a family member, and they stay in my guest room, there's never a place for a guest house. There's never a place for extras that they need while they're staying at the house, right?
Yep.
Little scented soaps or lotions or
Make
what.
them
I
feel
mean,
at home.
I clean the hotel out when I stay. So this is why you would have like something like this, or maybe you would live in an efficiency apartment in a big city and you need room, extra room for pantry. Or my mom has extra shelves in her small kitchen for her temptations.
Oh, there you go. I
stoneware.
love that. Or maybe like that new mom, maybe her nursery is upstairs for the baby. So to keep her from having to go up and down the steps all the time, maybe it's like a diaper station, you know, for the items that the
Sounds
baby
like
needs.
you know about that.
Well, maybe a little bit.
Maybe 5 kids later. All right, bless your heart. When did you start having kids? When you were 2?
Oh my God, thank you.
Oh my gracious. This is really, really popular. We are very, very busy. Please don't wait on this. And if you're not using it, yes, it folds flat. So you
Fold
can
flat.
put it underneath
Yep,
things, or
absolutely.
put it between the washer dryer because it's not very
2.5
wide.
inches on the side. I mean, that's very thin profile. Put it in that closet.
Turn it this way.
Sorry, thank you. Look at you,
No
pro.
worries.
You go,
No
you
worries.
pro.
I've just been here a
Teaching
long
me, I
time.
know.
Long time.
Right there, you can put that under a bed or in a corner, like you said, in between the washer dryer, and then it's going to open up to this great size. Each shelf is going to be 18 inches by 11.5. Look at that. No assembly required. All you're doing, you're just literally opening it. Except the wheels, you do have to put the wheels on.
And you lock it into place.
You lock it into place if you want, or you can just stroll it, David, from room to room.
Roll it around. Maybe this could go in your kids' playroom.
Get organized.
And they could put all their toys on here.
Yes.
Stuffed
They, not me, right? Them.
They. Train them young and then they'll learn. All right, now, this is very, very important. Don't miss out on your color choice. We have the black that Ashley is holding. And black is by far the most popular. We have fewer than 800 left in black. And we have this in navy. 600. Here's the white. 1,500 in the white. Red. 600 in the red, and finally the gray.
I like the red. Don't you like the red in the kitchen?
The red is more like a wine color.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
It's like a
really pretty.
Merlot color.
I agree. I'm going to agree with you on that one.
Give me a roaring fire and a glass of red wine, I'm a happy boy. Yeah.
Me too.
All right, so this is really, really popular, and we are super busy. If you want to buy 2 of these, I would highly recommend it, because my guess is you're going to get 1 home, you're going to fill it.
I love it.
You're going to wish you had 2.
Yep.
And I'm not saying that to get you to buy more. I'm saying that because I know what it's like to get 1 home of something and fill it up, particularly when it's storage.
Yep.
And then you're like, boy, I wish I had 2 of these.
I could have it, use it here. I can use it in the bathroom. I can use it in the laundry room.
I
to
could
the garage.
use a couple more of these, right? So very definitely think through what you need to order and then order accordingly. And we ship everything to your doorstep.
Ooh, oh, nice.
Ding dong, the PS Home is here. The 3-tier collapsible metal cart is here with wheels. It's here.
It's going to come to you just like this.
Yeah,
Super
and
easy.
the only thing you're going to do is screw on the wheels.
Pop on those wheels.
And
Absolutely.
it only weighs 6 pounds
6 pounds
unloaded.
Unloaded. Each shelf is going to hold 24 pounds, so 72 pounds of garden, of pantry, of toys, as David said, of wine. Maybe just roll your wine around.
Maybe put a case of wine or split your wine up. However you want to do it. Now, as we mentioned, it's a 5-hour show today. Rachel, my cohort in crime, has been very kind to spell me so that I can go to the little host room.
No.
But we will be with you. She'll be with you for the next 30 minutes, and I'll be back around 4 o'clock for the last